Import all of your clips to the project. This is the layout of my layers. Start by hiding the layers on top. This is the base image that you should have. And duplicate it. Go to layer underneath and add wipe. Click on Start and make the percentage 50. Now add wipe to your second layer. Click on End and make the percentage 50. So now you should have half and half of the same image. Go to Move and Transform on the layer at the top and add position keyframes at the start and beat 3. On the second keyframe, move your layer down until it reaches just the edge and this red line appears. In the middle, add this mid-graph. Click on the 3 dots and click Copy Curve. Go to the layer underneath and add position keyframes in the same places. This time on the second keyframe, move your layer lower. And then paste the curve in between. So it should have this delay effect. Select the 2 layers and click on the first grouping option at the top. This is the background layer. Go to Effects and add tiles. Now unhide this layer and hide this group. Click on the plus icon and click the circle and move it and shape it so that it matches this frame. Now move it down. Unhide this picture and frame it in. Select the 2 layers and click on the middle grouping option at the top. Select the 2 layers and click on the first grouping option. Now unhide these 2 layers as well, and let's set up them.
Click on the plus icon and add a text. Customize the font and make the color white. Move this layer underneath, like this. Now let's set up the middle segment by unhiding these 4 layers. Lastly, unhide 1 layer from here that you're going to mask out. Click on the plus icon and click Vector Drawing, and then mask out your person by adding points, like this. Select the shape with the image and click the middle grouping option at the top. And then adjust the duration. Unhide the remaining layers and set them up on the far right side. Now let's start adding motion to these layers individually. Add position and rotation keys at the start and beat 3 on the camera. And on the first keyframe, adjust the position and the rotation of it. And then paste the curve in both properties. Do the same thing for the remaining layers. Only adjust the position and the rotation on the first keyframe. Once you're done, let's move on to the remaining 4. Do the same thing, but this time add position and rotation keys on beat 3 and 4, and only adjust on the first keyframe And don't forget to paste the curves in between.
On this layer, I decided to add wipe. Add end keyframes on the same places, and on the first keyframe type in 0. And paste the curve, as always. Now on the last segment, click on the mirror and add position and rotation keys at the start and end. At the start, move the mirror down and rotate it to the right. Don't forget to paste the curves. Now go to the mask and add position and rotation keys at the start and end. For the mask though, move it up and rotate it to the left. And don't forget to paste the curve in both properties. And as for the remaining layers, just add position and rotation keys at the start and end, and adjust only the first keyframe. Now unhide this group and move it on top of all the layers. Now click on the plus icon and go to Object and Element and add a null layer. Click on the group and click this icon next to the rubbish bin. Click Try It first. Click it again and select Null 1. And as you can see, it changed. It should have this line in between, meaning it is connected. And now copy the same progress on every layer given in the project. Double check, just in case, that every layer is connected. Now go to the node, go to Position, and Rotation, and add the keyframes at the start and beat 3. And when you're on the second keyframe, and swipe down, Paste the curves in between both properties. Add another node on beat 2, which should be in between these two keyframes. And click on the node, click the same icon next to the rubbish bin, and this time connect it to node 2. On node 2, add the same position and rotation keyframes at the start and beat 4. And now move the focus to the second segment. Paste the curve in between both properties. Lastly, add another node on beat 3, and this time adjust the duration of all the nodes. Now connect node 2 to node 3, and add position and rotation keyframes at the start and end. And on the second keyframe, switch the focus to the third segment. Don't forget to paste the curve in both properties. Add a rectangle at the start of the entire transition. Click on the 3 dots and click Stretch to Composition Area. Then select all the layers given in the project and click on the middle grouping option at the top so you can now add your effects and zoom-ins.